This video describes how to customize the machine sounds for various functions. First, you select the Apps button, then User Tools. Now select Screen Features, and then Sound. Within this screen, the system volume can be adjusted. The sounds for notification, operation invalid, operation completed, log in, log out, warm up, sound of less urgent level, and sound of urgent level can be customized. There are several sounds that can be selected, depending on which function has been chosen. For example, when selecting notification sound, the options include no sound, sound of beep, and sounds of tap 1 through 4. Now adjust to the desired settings and exit.